Guys, Paul here from Acnow Solar. How are you? Today I'm down in sunny Brimley, which is down near Geelong on the surf coast near Blackrock. And I'm going to show you one of their solar LED street lights, which are now popping up all over the place on the surf coast. This one here is made up of two panels. They're 120 watts each. The globe is a bit hard to see from down here, but I'm assuming the globe's anywhere between about 80 and 120 watts. The conventional street lamp was about 300 watts, so just to put that into perspective, they're using well and truly under half the power of conventional methods. Plus you don't need to run electrical grid wires to it, so it saves a hell of a lot on installation costs. These globes here, they actually they last for about 25,000 hours, so you probably need to change them over a 20-year period only about once compared to four changeovers with a standard street light. I reckon it's very neat. I'll pop past one night and take some photos of it and add it to the end of the video just so you can see what kind of lighting it's actually putting out. But good to see, Surf Coast, you're doing pretty well. And even with the solar panels on the top creating a fair bit of a wind drag, it's pretty rock solid up there. It's not moving around very much. And as you can see from the wind turbine in the background, it is howling ablaze down here today. There you have it, solar powered street lighting. Good to see.